I am so excited for this video. One, because you are here and you're part of my family now, because you're watching my video, and I hope you have subscribed. Please subscribe. I'll give you one moment. And two, because some of you were involved in picking out the design for this wall decor for my daughter's room revamp. So this is one design and two, and most of you picked one, and so that's what I went with. So thank you for voting and helping me design. So the wall decor is right here, and I'm going to show you how I made it. This wall decor using t-shirt, how we made it and how it turned out. So remember to watch till the end so that you can see how it looks in its place. My name is Juliet Migwi, and on this channel I normally share with you my DIY home decor tips and my life hacks, and I'm so excited on how this DIY turned out. So keep watching, remember to subscribe. Let's see how I made it. For this DIY wall decor using t-shirts, we were so lucky because we have these two t-shirts that have the right graphic, the right color, and the right theme in Michaela's wardrobe. We also have this canvas that's a 45 by 60 centimeters. If you wish, you can use board or cardboard that you can cut and wrap or paint on so that you have the right base. We have also this belt that was in Michaela's wardrobe that no longer fits, that will work for M for Michaela to give us a 3D effect. We have the blue shade of adhesive tape, and as we go along, you don't have to use the tape. You can paint the lines out or use ribbon or anything that you have in your home. We're using what we have at home because I wanted this to cost zero. And then we have the pair of scissors that will help us cut the t-shirts. We have the glue gun that will help us glue down our M, and the staple gun to help us staple down the t-shirt after we've cut it out, because I could have used a glue gun or another form of adhesive, and you can as well, but I thought this one will hold better and allow for stretching. So let's get to it. My dear friends, this is how it turned out. Woo! So cute. It even surpassed my expectations. Thank you for voting and being part of this decision. And don't forget, this is part of Michaela's room revamp using less than $100. We're turning her room from a kiddish girly room to a girly room, yes, but for a preteen, a young girl growing up. And so check in the info card above or at the end of this video and let me know in the comments below what you thought of this very quick wall decor, and tell me with something you do for yourself. And if you do it for yourself, please share a photo on my Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Barakatele. See you on the next one.